Good evening, everyone. In today's class, we are just going to discuss about the topic ignition temperature and also about flame. The page number what we are going to cover is page number 72 and 73. So here, if we see what is meant by this ignition temperature. So usually ignition temperature, it is nothing but a minimum temperature. Okay, it is a very low minimum temperature at which a substance it will be just getting fire. Okay, in which is temperature that substances it is getting fire. No, that stage it is called as ignition temperature. But not all that substances, most of the substances it will be just getting fire only by this ignition temperature. Even it may be high or low. Okay, based on that and due to their capability they will be getting fire on this basis of this ignition temperature. But if we take few materials, a few substances, for example if we take petrol or LPG, these substances what they will do means, usually if their ignition temperature though it is a minimum than this normal temperature. Okay, if the ignition temperature it is also very less means also these substances are able to catch us fire. That substances it is called as inflammable substance. Okay, so usually a substance which will be just burning at this minimum temperature which is called as ignition temperature. That minimum temperature level it is called ignition temperature. So below that itself, okay, below that ignition temperature, if that substances they are getting fire means they are called as inflammable substance. Okay, for that example, best example we can tell petrol and also that LPG. Okay, these two are the best examples for this ignition temperature. And then here if we see the next one, it is flame. So what is mean by this flame? So ignition temperature, I said that it is a very minimum temperature at which a substance they can be easily getting fire. So that is what it is called as ignition temperature. And here flame, it is nothing but it is the mixture of gases. It means that burning process it takes place with that mixture of different gases. So what are all the gases it will be responsible for this flame means, usually it will be oxygen, carbon dioxide and also that carbon monoxide. Okay, so these are all the different gases which will be responsible for this burning reaction which is called as flame. Okay, because burning it will be not at all just happen just like that. It is also a mixture of oxygen, even that gas is also it is needed and also fuel it is needed. Okay, so in such a way everything it is needed to get one flame. Flame means that burning process that is called as flame. And here what is that equation for this flame means oxygen plus heat plus fuel. Okay, these three combined together for what means for just giving fire. So if one fire it is to be produced means it want to be produced means this is very important. So what are all the things it is needed is oxygen plus heat plus fuel. So these three are the important things which is needed for what purpose, for getting this fire. Okay, and also it is not everything, every substances it will be not same. Here few substances what they will do means they will be vaporizing during burning. Okay, that is also called as flame. Okay, that vaporization process, what is mean by this vaporizing? So either it is a kerosene or even this wax, whenever it is burning what it happens is that vaporization means that a few vapors, okay, that vapors it will be just getting away from that materials. Okay, that process it is also called as flame. And few substances without this vaporization, without this burning also some it will be getting vaporized. For example, for that if we want to tell means best example it is coal. Okay, it is the best example for such substances. Okay, so what are all the topics we have discussed today is ignition temperature. What is mean by this ignition temperature? A minimum temperature at which every substance is getting fire. Okay, that burning process that is called as ignition temperature. Even it will be very low temperature level. And also a substances below than this itself, some substances if they are getting fire means they are called as inflammable substances. So for that only example we have taken petrol and LPG. And then next one it is flame. So what is this flame? The mixture of gases and also that substances whatever it is just getting vaporized, that process it is called as flame. Okay, so based on that substances that flame it will be different. Some substances it will be burning, along with that vaporization it will be takes place. But in some substances what it happens, that burning process it is there or not, but that few things it will be vaporized. That is what example we have taken coal as example. Okay, So these are all the topics today we have discussed.